In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly oatmeal bake sponsored by Bonne Maman.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's me, Carol. Just kidding. Hi guys, it's Monique from Ambitious Kitchen. Hopefully you got that reference. Today I am gonna be showing you how to make one of my favorite breakfasts of all time. It's a combination between a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and baked oatmeal. It's my PB&J oatmeal and we're making it with Bonne Maman, and I'm so excited. Their preserves are literally the best. We're gonna make it with this wild blueberry because who doesn't love peanut butter and blueberries? So let's get started. I'll show you everything you need and we can make this yummy breakfast together in quarantine. Okay, let's talk about Bonne Maman really quick. Hi, best preserve company ever. Literally best preserves on the planet, always in my fridge. Such simple ingredients, yet so much flavor. So the wild blueberries is one of my favorites, and then recently I've been loving the cherry. If you guys haven't tried them out, you really, really should. Okay, let's do this. My son is sleeping, so I have very limited time, about 30 to 45 minutes, which is the perfect amount of time to make this bake. So the first thing we're gonna need is some melted coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. You could use butter, you could use probably olive oil, whatever you have, or you could just skip it. You're gonna be fine either way. Next up is some peanut butter. I'm using a creamy natural peanut butter. You could also use almond butter, cashew butter, sunflower seed butter, whatever you have on hand. Personally, I love the taste of peanut butter because it tastes like a peanut butter and jelly. Next up, you need an egg. Ooh. All right, that egg was really, really weak. We need some maple syrup. Pure maple syrup. You could also use honey or whatever liquid sweetener you want, but we're only using a tablespoon. And I promise it's enough to sweeten this oatmeal bake. What else? What else? What else do I need? Let me see. Oh, almond milk. Okay, almond milk. Do it up. You could use coconut milk. You could use regular milk. This recipe is so flexible. We've moved on to a whisk. It's butter to get everything moving and mixed up well in there. Oh, I should note that you should preheat your oven to 350 at this point. You should probably have done that beforehand. It's gonna be fine either way. So mix that all together. I'm telling you, it already smells amazing. Just peanut butter is intoxicating. But one of the reasons I also love this recipe is that it has over 8 grams of protein per serving, almost 9 in fact. What's nice about this recipe is that you have options for your baking pan. So I'm using a 9-inch skillet. This is greased, but you could also use an 8x8-inch pan or a 9x9-inch, and the baking times should be pretty much the same. That's good. I mean, I know it's raw, but it was really good. Okay, so it's time for the Bonne Maman. Look at this texture. What I've done here is I've added tablespoonfuls of jam over the oatmeal bake. Just dropped it on here. And now we're gonna swirl it with a knife. Okay, so take a butter knife and just kind of swirl it around to get the jam in every single little pocket. So this just came out of the oven. The wild blueberry preserves are baked right in. I did a little drizzle of peanut butter on top. I'm ready to dig in. Look at that. So good. Oh, it's really good. Wow. Sydney's excited. You guys can grab this recipe on ambitiouskitchen.com. I'll link it up in the IGTV title. You just click the arrow down and you can go directly there. Hope you guys love it. There you go. Excited.